Hello YouTube and welcome back to the Gunpla Network News. Of course, I'm your host, The Spicer, and this video is possible thanks to those fine folks over at HobbyLink Japan. Not only is it the world's largest online shop for hobby, with a personal warehouse option, a currency filter, worldwide shipping, and much more, they're your one-stop shop. So if you're interested in any of the kits you see today, be sure to check their link in the description below. And starting us off, we have the SD Cross Silhouette Earth-Three Gundam with new box art and release information coming out. Set to release in February of 2020 for a price tag of 1,320 Japanese yen. The PPF X7 E3 Earth-Three Gundam is a Gunpla appearing in the Gundam Build Divers Re-Rise series. It's a variant of the PFF X7 Core Gundam. It is built and piloted by Hiroto Kuga. In more SD news, we have the SD Build Divers Re-Rise Avalanche Rex Buster, with new box art and release information with a release date slated for February of 2020 at a price tag of 880 Japanese yen. Now, this set is actually an expansion set for the Valkyrie Lander, and it can also be used on the other kits from the series, so the Earth-Three, the May, the Justice Knight. And it gives you that dragon armor feel, so it really fits the Valkyrie Lander in terms of aesthetic. Something a little special in the Auto Transform model RX-0 Unicorn. With no release date or price tag, all we have to go on is some promotional images. The Unicorn comes from Unicorn Gundam and is actually a transformable series RX mobile suit. It's like Gundam. It has its normal Unicorn mode, and then when the NTD, or the new type destroyer system, kicks in, it fully transforms, exposing all the Psycho frame throughout the entire body, giving the pilot almost exact human control over the mobile suit. In high-grade news, we have the high-grade Gundarium Alloy RX-78-2, set to release in July of 2020 with no announced price tag. This is your traditional RX-78-2 Gramps Gundam, but part of the Gunpla Link project, and it really gives a new take on the traditional RX-78-2, and we've seen a lot of those lately, but this is one of the more eye-catching versions. In Perfect Grade news, we have a new announcement with the Perfect Grade 160th RX-78-2 Unleashed. In its 40th anniversary, Gunpla's got a new project presenting via livestream. Bandai has announced the next step of the Perfect Grade line, the new Perfect Grade Unleashed line. They'll release a new version of the RX-78-2. We'll have more details to come, but you can imagine this big boy is going to be more detailed than the previous Perfect Grades. In P-Bandai news, we have updates to the P-Bandai RG Banshee Norn Destroy Mode lighting version, set to release April of 2020 for a price tag of 11,550 yen. This kit comes with clear Psycho framing and LED strip modules that can be installed in the Banshee Norn's interior and can produce green or orange lights to represent both of the Banshee Norn's Destroy Mode and Awakened final version for its final battle. The RX-0 in Unicorn 02 Banshee Norn is an upgraded variant of the RX-0 Unicorn Gundam, just regular Banshee version as well, that appears in the OVA series Mobile Suit Gundam Unicorn. This particular version of this unit is piloted by none other than our boy Riddy Marcinus. In more P-Bandai news, we have a new announcement of the Real Great Destiny Gundam Titanium Finish version, set to release June of 2020 for a price tag of 7,150 Japanese yen. The ZG-MFX-42S Destiny Gundam is the titular mobile suit of Mobile Suit Gundam Seed Destiny and was piloted by Shin Asuka. A straight-built Gunpla version is piloted by Simone Izuna in the Gundam Build Fighters Tri-Series as well. In more P-Bandai news, we have a brand new announcement for the P-Bandai Jegan D-Type initial deployment version, set to release June of 2020 for a price tag of 4,620 Japanese yen. The RGM-89D Jegan D-Type is a variant of the RGM-89 Jegan. This mass-produced general-use mobile suit gets featured in the photo novel and OVA series Mobile Suit Gundam Unicorn, and the original RGM-89 Jegan is featured very heavily in Char's counterattack. And rounding us out, we have the brand new announcement of the MetalBuild Gundam Exia Repair 4, set to release in July of 2020 for a price tag of 23,100 Japanese yen. This unit was designed by Ebikawa Kentake, the original Mobile Suit Gundam 00 mechanical designer. The GN001 RE4, or Gundam Exia Repair 4, is an upgraded version of the Gundam Exia Repair 3 that featured in the Mobile Suit Gundam 00 Festival 10 revision. And this unit is actually piloted by none other than Graham Aker, who is partially assimilated with ELS. Now for the top 5 builds of the week. In 5th place we have Yu Ren Hee in his Wing Gundam Custom. In 4th place, we have Gladius Bass in his Dark Commando Gundam. In 3rd place, we have Christopher Ignatius Granville Goodall and his Master Grade Zaku Warrior Custom. In 2nd place, we have Joseph M. Mims in his Master Grade Providence Custom. And in first place, we have Kamen Chan and Izaku Custom. And that's it for the Gunpla News this week. Of course, leave a comment, let me know what your favorite kit this week is, and of course, subscribe and like. That's what we're here for, right? We also have a lot of other content, so be sure to check that out if I'm your first introduction to Gunpla Network. Hello and welcome. And of course, we're also on Facebook, Instagram, and have our very own website, gunplanetwork.com, where you can see all of this news as it comes out, and articles written by several of us in the Gunpla Network. Not only that, we have our Teespring store where you can get sick merch like t-shirts, hoodies, sweaters, mugs, and stickers, all with your favorite YouTube Gunpla people's logo on it. Now, outside of that, what else do I have to say? Of course, have a wonderful day and keep on building.